Good morning, students. So, continuing our lesson 9 halves and quarters. Students, please take out your book and take page number 99. All have taken the book out? Okay. Now, take page number 99. Look in your book. Kundu is a greedy man. Whenever he goes to the market, he wants to buy more and more but doesn't want to spend much money. One day he wants to eat pumpkin halwa, sweet dish. He tries to buy a big pumpkin with only rupees 10. He asks the first pumpkin seller the price of a big pumpkin. First pumpkin seller, 1/4 of this pumpkin is for rupees 10. So this Kundu, he is a greedy man and he wants to eat, one day he wants to eat pumpkin halwa. So he went to the market to buy a big pumpkin. So he is very, since he is very greedy, he wants to buy a big pumpkin with only rupees 10. So to the first pumpkin seller, he asked the price of a big pumpkin. Then that pumpkin seller said 1/4 of this pumpkin is for rupees 10. Cost of, you have to find the cost of full pumpkin. 1/4 of that pumpkin is for rupees 10. So full pumpkin will cost rupees. Tell me. So in a whole, how many 1/4 are there? Tell me. How many 1/4s are there in a whole? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that is equal to 1. That is equal to whole. So 1/4 of the pumpkin is for rupees 10. So full pumpkin will cost rupees 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to rupees 40. You can do in this way. Cost of 1/4 pumpkin is equal to rupees 10. So cost of one pumpkin, that is rupees 10 divided by 1/4. 10 divided by 1, that is equal to 10. और इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे into 4. So 40. Hence the cost of one pumpkin is equal to rupees 40. You can write down the answer in your book. Next, Kundu. Yeah, for rupees 10, you should give me half of this pumpkin. First pumpkin seller. Then go to the next seller. He can give you half of such a big pumpkin for rupees 10. I keep only good quality pumpkins. So Kundu walks to the next seller and asks, look for a pumpkin of the same size. So here, when Kundu, he calculates the price of a full pumpkin, that is rupees 40. So he said, you should give half of this pumpkin for rupees 10. I will pay rupees 10 for half of this pumpkin. The first pumpkin seller, she replied, you can go to the next seller because she is keeping only good quality pumpkins. So here Kundu, he walks to the next seller and looks for a pumpkin of the same size. How much of this pumpkin will I get for rupees 10? Second pumpkin seller, half. Now to the next seller he went and he asked for the price of full pumpkin. And that seller replied, I will give you rupees 10 for half of this pumpkin. अब हाफ पम्पकिन का अगर रुपीज़ 10 है प्राइस, देन व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ फुल पम्पकिन? हाफ प्लस हाफ, दैट इज इक्वल टू फुल. 10 प्लस 10, दैट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 20. So cost of half pumpkin is equal to rupees 10. So cost of full pumpkin, that is 10 plus 10, that is equal to rupees 20. Therefore the cost of one full pumpkin is rupees 20. You can note down the answer. Now next topic, using a price list. Now in the slide you can see a price list is there. Name of the item written in the first column and price in rupees per kg, that is written in the second column. So the cost of 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees 8. Price of 1 kg potato is equal to rupees 12. 1 kg onion costs rupees 10. 1 kg carrot costs rupees 16 and 1 kg pumpkin costs rupees 4. So read the price list carefully. Now the question, how much does half kg of tomatoes cost? So first of all, from the price list you have to check what is the cost of 1 kg tomato. So cost of 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees 8. You have to calculate cost of half kg of tomato. So 8 divided by 2, that is rupees 4. Therefore the cost of half kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 4. Next question, which cost more, half kg of onions or 1/4 kg of carrots? Now again you have to check the price list. You have to check the price of 1 kg of onion as well as the price of 1 kg of carrots. So we can see 1 kg onion cost rupees 10 and 1 kg carrot cost rupees 16. So you have to calculate half kg of onion or 1/4 kg of carrot, which costs more. So 1 kg of onion is equal to rupees 10. तो हाफ के जी कितने का हुआ? Yes, it is of rupees 5. And 1/4 kg of carrot. 1 kg of carrot cost rupees 16. 16 divided by 4 करो. What will be the answer? Yes, it is rupees 4. So cost of 1 kg onion, that is equal to rupees 10. Therefore cost of half kg onion, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to rupees 5. So cost of half kg of onion is equal to rupees 5. Now cost of 1 kg of carrot, that is equal to rupees 16. Hence the cost of 1/4 kg carrot is equal to 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4. So half kg onion is of rupees 5 and 1/4 kg of carrot is of rupees 4. So which cost more? Yes, half kg of onion costs more. Hence the cost of half kg of onions is more than the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots. Next question, what is the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes? Now you have to calculate 3/4 kg of potato. Again check the price list. Potato, 1 kg of potato is equal to rupees 12. We have to calculate 3/4 kg of potatoes. So the cost of 1 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 12. We have to find out the cost of 3/4 kg of potatoes, that is equal to 12 into 3 upon 4. 12 3s are 36. 36 divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4, what will the answer? 9. 4 9s are 36. 9. Therefore cost of 3/4 kg of potatoes equal to rupees 9. तो ये आपको कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? 12 इंटू 3 अपॉन 4. जो ऊपर का नंबर है, न्यूमरेटर है, उसको अपन मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जो आंसर आ जाएगा उस आंसर से हम डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करेंगे. तो 12 इंटू 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 36. अब 36 को यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 4. So 36 divided by 4, that is equal to 9. So the answer is the cost of 3/4 kg of potato is equal to rupees 9. Next question. Kirti is going for shopping. She has only rupees 20 with her. Can she buy all the things in her shopping list? So Kirti is going for shopping and she is having a shopping list. And she is having only rupees 20 with her. So you have to check whether she can buy all the things which are in her shopping list. First of all, see her shopping list. Potato half kg, pumpkin 2 kg and carrot 1/4 kg. This much thing she has to buy and she was having only 20 rupees. Now again we have to check the price list. First of all, she has to buy half kg potato. So cost of 1 kg potato is equal to rupees 12. तो हाफ के जी कितने का हो जाएगा? रुपीज़ 6. So total money Kirti has, that is equal to rupees 20. Her shopping list includes half kg potatoes, 2 kg pumpkin and 1/4 kg carrots. So cost of 1 kg potatoes is equal to rupees 12. Cost of half kg potato, 12 divided by 2, that is equal to rupees 6. सेकेंड उसे क्या लेना है? 2 kg pumpkin. सो 1 kg pumpkin इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 4. जब 1 kg 4 रुपीज़ का है तो 2 kg कितने का होगा? येस, इट इज़ ऑफ रुपीज़ 8. फिर उसको लेना है 1/4 kg कैरेट. तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg कैरेट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 16. और 1/4 kg, 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4. टोटल कितना हो गया उसके, कितना पैसा उसने यूज़ करा, 6 rupees फॉर potato, 8 rupees for 2 kg pumpkin and 4 rupees for 1/4 kg carrots. तो 6 plus 8 plus 4 that is equal to 18. और कीर्ति के पास कितना पैसा था, yes, she is having rupees 20 with her. Hence Kirti can buy all the vegetables in her shopping list. So students, this using a price list, these questions you have to do in your notebook. First of all, make the price list, okay, then do question number 1, solve it, do its solution, then question B, solution, C, do its solution, then D, do its solution. These all 4 questions you have to do it in your notebook. Okay students, so complete your work by today itself. We will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.